Now in this video we're going to discuss about the equal sets, right? Equal sets. When I can say the two sets are equal. Right? Suppose I have a set here A and I have a set another B here, and I can say these two sets are equal, A and B, only when all the elements of A are same as in the B. Right, no matter of the order. Suppose in the set A there is the elements of the set or the members of the set are like 1 2 3 4 and then 5, and in B we have suppose 1 5 4 3 2. Then see here I already told you while representing the sets there is just a slogan. I already told you, like, no duplicacy and no tension of order. So here I have 1 2 3 4 5. I have total 5 numbers. So the total number, the total number of terms in A and total number of terms in B. First it is matching, and after that each and every term, like if you say each and every elements of the A is in the B. Try to understand. First what? First condition, number should be equal. Number should be equal. Later you learn what is cardinal number. I'll tell you later. Alright, and the next, all elements of one set should be in another one. All elements of one set should be in another one. Should be in another one. In another set. Alright, in another set. Like A have how many members? 1 2 3 4 5, and B has how many members? Again 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 is there, here also 6. Here is 1, here is also 1. Here is 5, here is also 5. Here is 4, here is also 4. Here is 3, here is also 3. Here is 2, here is also 2. So that's why I can say A is equals to B. That's the condition to be a equal set. Alright, and if someone is writing like if I have A equals to suppose 1 2 3, right, and if someone is writing B equals to 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 3. Now can I say that A is equals to B? Yes, again I can say A is equals to B. Though you might be asking why the number should be, I already told you the number should be equal, but here you're getting the number huge. Like here was 3 numbers, but here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 numbers. So how I can say these are equal? Yes, and I told you that in the rules of representing set there is no duplication. You cannot repeat. There is no repetition of the elements. So here 1 is repeating 2 times. So I will cancel this while I will represent the set properly. So it is 1 time. 2 already I am writing here. Then I will cancel this one. Alright. Then 3 1 time I will write. And these all are repetition. So there is no repetition allowed in the set. That's why now A and B are equal sets. Alright. So like suppose A is the all. Suppose here A is the all prime number less than 6. So all prime numbers less than 6, that is 2 3 and 5. Alright, and here B is prime factors of 30. Suppose prime factors of 30. So what are the prime factors of 30? Let me do here 30. Alright, 2 times 15, and 15 is 3 times 5. Alright, so what I get here, I get 2 3 and 5 as the members of the prime factors of 30. So 2 3 5 is here, 2 3 5 is here. So I can say now that A set is equal with set B, and this is what equal set means. And you'll do more practice and you'll get more concepts. So don't worry, as we'll go on an exercise chapter, we'll do a series of exercises and they will give you a wonderful concept about the sets and equal sets. Alright, catch you in the next video with next concept and exercise. Goodbye.